If you would have told the 20-year-old me that I'd be sitting in a 5-star hotel making $1,000 every single day from my MacBook, I would not have believed you. But here I am, a middle-class Indian girl who turned 5 high-income digital skills into thousands of dollars in 2025. If you are a student or a working professional just tired of living paycheck to paycheck every single month, then this video may change your life completely. And no, you don't have to invest those large amounts that your parents invest on your education in the college fee, but you will be learning just these simple 5 skills and you will be making more than what you can get after completing your college degree in a job. So let me show you the exact 5 skills that made me a crorepati in my 20s and how you can start it today. First skill is affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest skill that you can learn in your 20s or 30s, and affiliate marketing is my first ever online income stream. So let me explain you what exactly is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you promote somebody else's product, and once you get a sale for that product through your affiliate link, you get a commission based earning. For example, there is a product which is priced at $10 and the owner says that you sell this $10 product to somebody, and once you sell that $10 product, out of those $10 I will be giving you $2 as an affiliate commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. In one single day, I have made more than 4,500 US dollars, which is approx like 3,80,000 rupees in a single day by promoting a digital product which I believed in. And this is the product that I didn't even have to create. I just promoted somebody else's product and got commission based income on it. So do you see the potential of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing can start from $10 and help you make like $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 in a single day depending upon the product that you choose. Just take these 3 simple steps to get started with affiliate marketing. Number 1 is pick a niche in fitness, wellness, or any of the niche that you are interested in. Number 2 is find products on platforms like Digistore24, ClickBank, or Indian marketplaces like Amazon. 3 is start building your personal brand and audience on social media. Even 500 followers can bring you sales. Let's move on to skill number 2, which is my most favorite skill. It's called as digital products business. If there's one thing that changed my income, freedom, and peace of mind, that is creating and selling digital products online. We live in the era of social media, digital media, and a lot many online income streams, and in this era, if you are not making money through digital products, you are missing out a lot. So let me explain you in very simple language what are digital products. Digital products are anything that you can create online. These do not require any inventory or any physical product, no shipping delays, nothing like this. It can be anything like an ebook, courses, Notion templates, planners, or workshop replay, basically anything that solves a real life problem or teaches a skill. In 2024, I launched my very first online course as my first digital product that I have myself created by thinking that I will be able to make at least $5,000 to $7,000 extra every single month, but that product today makes me more than 20,000 US dollars every single month. So this is the power of digital product. If you are somebody who has big dreams and you want to achieve those big income goals of yours and you want to be that richest person in your bloodline, then this is the perfect opportunity, the perfect skill that you can learn, implement, and make money through. Earning potential is huge in digital products. If you are a beginner and you want to start from the basics, so you can start selling ebooks, PDFs related to any of the niche that solves a real life problem. For example, in the field of health or fitness, you are teaching somebody how to lose weight and you are giving them consultations. So you can charge them according to your digital product. If you're selling an ebook, it should be a low ticket digital product priced at around $10 to until like $50, $60. If you're giving your one-on-one consultations and this is your digital product that is providing mentorships, then you can charge huge amounts like $500, $1,000 from your client because you are sharing your real life experience and you are helping them with hand-hold support and guidance. In last 1 year, I have made more than 120,000 US dollars just by selling digital products. Who can create a digital product? You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be at least 2-3 steps ahead of the person that you're going to teach. Even if you have a basic knowledge, about that particular field that you want to create a digital product on, you can get started. If you can teach how to grow your Instagram, do yoga, how to edit videos, how to make healthy meal plans, or even if you teach how to do freelancing, you can package that into a digital product and sell it to make money. Let me tell you something interesting. I have had an Indian student from Canada who made $2,000 in just 2 weeks of launching her digital product, and if she can do it, anybody can do it. I know the struggle of a beginner. That's why I have created a mini course on digital products. If you want access to it, I have mentioned my WhatsApp number below in the description of this video. Go and message me on WhatsApp. I will share with you directly. Let's move on to the third skill, which is called as UGC, that is user generated content. If you are somebody who is an introvert, if you are a shy person, you are not ready to be on the camera at first, if you are not willing to create your own social media profile and sell it through your social media, then this is your game changer, life savior opportunity. UGC simply means that you create content for a brand and that brand uses your content for their ads or on their social media platform. So basically you don't need to post that UGC content on your profile, but that brand will post that UGC content created by you on their social media profile. Now this is a game changer, especially for those who don't want to be an influencer or be in front of the camera. You are not selling on your social media, you are just helping a brand grow with honest and relatable content. And you don't need any fancy setups, you just need your smartphone and a little bit of creativity to create content. What kind of content do you make as a UGC content creator? So nowadays brands are like literally tired of those overly edited videos. They want something which feels natural to the audience. You might be asked as a UGC creator to create content like unboxing video of a product, before and after of using a product, a day in my life using XYZ product, any tutorial of the product, or testimonials like real life based testimonials of the product. If you want to find UGC brand deals, then all you need to do is pick up your favorite brands, find their Instagram handles, go and text them with your expertise that this kind of content you can create, and start pitching it to the brands, and you will start seeing their reply. One pro tip for being a UGC creator as a beginner is that you record 2-3 sample videos for any of your favorite products and use it as your mini portfolio to share it to the brand while having a conversation with them. Let me explain you skill number 4, which is a brand collaboration. Yes, people think nowadays this is what all influencers do all day long, but this is the reality that brand collaborations literally pays you well. You need to just outshine, you need to have an Instagram profile where you are showing your expertise and you are working in a niche. If you're a budding content creator, just make sure that you stick to that one niche that you are super interested in. Start creating a lot of content in that particular niche on your profile and then start pitching it to the brands. Brand collaborations can be in the two forms. Number one is barter collaboration, where a brand will send you their product for free in exchange for a review or a post or Instagram reel that you will be posting on your social media. Number two is a paid collaboration. It means a brand is sending you their product for free but also paying you 5,000, 10,000 rupees, anything like that as a beginner, and you are creating content for them. You are also getting paid and you are also keeping that product. While talking about the brand collaborations, depending upon your social media followers as well as the kind of reach that you have on your profile, the kind of content you are creating on your profile, you can charge a brand according to that. Girls nowadays are creating massive amounts by becoming content creators on social media and by doing brand collaborations. Last and the fifth skill is one-on-one mentorship. This is one of the most underrated income source but is highly profitable income source that I have built in 2025. We live in an information loaded world. There is Instagram, YouTube, free resources. Still people are stuck. Do you know why? They don't just want more of the knowledge, they want somebody who has already walked that path and is there to hold their hand and say, hey, focus here, skip that, do this, do that. This is how you grow, and this is where mentorships become life-changing opportunities opportunity for people. I have myself invested so much on one-on-one mentorship because I believe that time is the biggest asset that you can have. If you can save time by learning from somebody who is already experienced, you are already ahead in life. I didn't want to give my energy just on researching about the skills, how to make money from it, but I wanted to invest some money to learn from a mentor who has already achieved the thing that I wanted to achieve in my life, so that it becomes easier for me. And let me tell you, this has been life-changing for me. I started my one-on-one mentorship priced at 12,000 rupees, which is approx like 140 US dollars. I used to take people on Zoom calls, give them the right strategies, how to grow, this and that. But now in 2025, my one-on-one mentorship calls goes to more than 500, 600, 700 US dollars, which is more than like 50,000 Indian rupees. And I give my people the exact roadmap that I have followed in last 2 years. I give them the handhold support and guidance. I give them unlimited calls, unlimited WhatsApp support, and also give them Zoom mentorships where I myself teach those people who have opted for one-on-one mentorship personally and help them to grow in their life, in their journey. When you become a mentor of someone, you become the leader of their life. And when you see your team students, like women growing their side hustles, students making their first 10,000 rupees, or moms launching their digital products, that feeling, that's pure magic. One-on-one mentorship is for you if you are an expert in a particular field, or you have a really good knowledge in a particular field and you are ready to teach people one-on-one, guide them everything. So one-on-one mentorship can be a really good way of making money. Me in the comments, what would you ask me if you were on a one-on-one call with me? I might pick your question and answer in the comment below. Know that starting something new or coming out of your comfort zone is the toughest thing that you can ever do in your life. I have been through the same journey that you are going through. I have been at the same place that you are today. I used to feel lazy. I used to procrastinate a lot. I used to think I'll do this tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes in my life. But the one day I decided to take charge of my finances, when I literally saw in my family that my family was going through the worst financial problem ever that I have seen in my entire life. I decided that being the elder daughter of my family, I'm going to do something big for my family. And from that moment, my life started to change. So this is just you who is going to take action, is going to do that particular thing, who is going to achieve your dream and are going to do big things for your family. So don't wait for a miracle. Start doing it from today itself. Know that these copy paste and capture jobs doesn't work in 2025, but these 5 high income skills that I have told you, if you start learning them from today, then you will 100% be making money. If you want my personal guidance, or if you want to learn one-on-one with me, you want to save your time, then I have already mentioned my WhatsApp number below. Just go and text me on WhatsApp and I'll be helping you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.